Want to get the most out of ChatGPT? Here are the best tips and tricks to turn you into an AI pro. Tip 1. Be specific. The more detail you give, the better the results. Instead of just saying, write me a blog post, try write a 500-word blog post about healthy breakfast recipes with 3 quick options and nutritional facts. Specifics equal better answers. Tip 2. Use roles. You can actually tell ChatGPT to play a role for you. Say, act as a travel agent or act as a coding tutor. This helps it focus and gives you tailored, expert-style advice. Tip 3. Ask for step-by-step answers. If you want clear instructions, just say, give me step-by-step directions. ChatGPT will break down even the most complex tasks into easy steps. Perfect for learning new skills. Tip 4. Refine and regenerate. Don't settle for the first answer it gives you. Ask it to expand, simplify, or even make it funnier. Every tweak gets you closer to the perfect response. Tip 5. Use it for a creativity boost. Stuck for ideas? Ask ChatGPT for 10 YouTube titles, blog ideas, or Instagram captions. It's a total brainstorming machine. Bonus tip templates. Create your own go-to prompts and reuse them. This saves you time and keeps your requests consistent. Now you know how to unlock ChatGPT's full potential. Try these tips today and watch your productivity skyrocket.